Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to take a screenshot in Nothing Phone 1. So you'll see here the power button and the volume down button. What you do is you click and release both power and volume down at the same time. So get your fingers on power and volume down. Let's do this together. 3, 2, 1. Click down, release, and you can see a screenshot will be taken. So it's a quick motion. Don't hold these buttons down. If you do hold the buttons, you will still take a screenshot, but if you don't want to waste your time, just click release and boom, a screenshot will be taken. Now you'll see this little icon. If you tap on the edit, you'll be able to edit the screenshot you've taken. If you tap on cancel, this will delete the screenshot, so it will not save onto your device. Okay, if we take a screenshot, you can see the preview here. You can just slide the preview to the left and that will save the screenshot, because by default, if you take a screenshot, okay, it will stay a couple of seconds on the screen before it goes away. So if you just want it to go away right away, you can just slide it off. Now to view your screenshots, you want to open up the Photos app, and then from here, I'm going to have to go to the home page. From here, if you go to Photos, you won't see the screenshots you've taken. You have to tap on Library, then Screenshots, and you'll see all of the screenshots you've taken right here. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.